This locking tool is a definite tool to have when working with metal roof panels and hammed eaves edges. This tool makes edge crimping fast and easy and leaves a nice uniform looking eaves edge. It is used to lock the panel at the drip edge, resulting in a clean looking hammed panel edge. The tool is often used in conjunction with the RAU 105 to complete locking the panel at the drip edge. Panel edge must be bent approximately 90 degrees for RAU 106 to perform crimp. Also used for forming the final lock for dormer windows. Faster and tighter crimp than hand seamers. Overall length is 15 inches. Now let's take a look at another multifunction tool. It is the ideal tool for cutting everything cleanly in all circumstances. It cuts all types of materials: tiles, glass, carpet, rubber, plastic, clothing, curtain, cork, and leather. Its treated steel wheel allows you to make straight, curved, or rounded cuts on ceramics, glass, mirrors, and even tiles with the precision of a goldsmith. With a rolling blade, you can achieve up to 5,000 meters of linear cut. It is very practical for easy and quick cuts. Without a rubber and free hand, the price is $21. By combining the suction cup and wheel and the scale, you can cut regular circles of up to 13 centimeters in diameter. Our selection continues with this amazing tool. It can be used to lift plasterboard in every position, horizontal for ceiling installation, angled for sloping ceiling installation, and vertical for wall installation. It's $1,089. It has an innovative braking system with two handles to lower the panel quickly, under control, and automatic operation, thanks to power drill assistance. Its rack and pinning system allows to lift plasterboards with less effort than other panel lifters. No noise while lifting on job sites. Maximum height with extension part is 4.50 meters, and maximum height for vertical lifting with 2.50 meters high board is 5.75 meters. These construction workers have access to an innovative slip form offered by a local distributor that helps them in their landscaping work. This solution allows them to work with curved and straight curves to form retaining walls. Its standard height is 75 centimeters and it weighs 9 kilograms. It is a solution that guarantees a rational use of materials and improves and significantly speeds up work. The total length of formwork is 750 centimeters. It is adjusted to the dimensions of the curves and curve radius width and height. The radius range is 80 centimeters for internal and 100 centimeters for external. It is available for retail price of $495. Our selection continues with this multi-tool robotic arm, which allows you to form the main processing phases of the material, from shaping with diamond wire to sanding up to polishing. In addition, it is possible to use the MDX for cutting with the diamond disc and for milling operations. It is an easy, flexible, and above all, totally automatic product. The system is integrated with an easy and intuitive software that allows you to import the drawings of the processes to be carried out directly in various formats. Through a few easy steps, the processing steps to be carried out are selected. The software will then manage all the processes, allowing the operators to follow other tasks. The MRT4 Dual Circuit Glass Vacuum Lifter from GGR Group is a convenient way to lift glass, metal, and composite materials safely and with minimum fuss. Being one of the most popular and versatile vacuum lifters available on the market, the MRT Dual Circuit Glass Vacuum Lifter boasts from 320 kilograms of lifting power. The popular MRT4 with dual circuit vacuum system technology is built for versatility. The MRT4 delivers 360 degrees rotation and 90 degrees tilt from any position. This is a utility knife that is reloaded via blade magazines. This allows for fast blade changes and also quick swapping between blade styles. A slim, lightweight body takes up less space. A belt clip makes it easy to store the knife on the belt or in a pocket without fraying the fabric. The patented quick reloading blade mechanism is actuated by a positive, smooth rail-driven thumb button. After removing a used blade, depressing the slider and returning it with a flick, it loads a new blade from the magazine. Internally, each mag holds 5 blades of any type, while the lower chamber reservoir contains room for an additional 10 blades in storage, giving each mag a category leading 15 blade payload. It is a lightweight lot splitter that is flexible enough to handle all kinds of jobs. Slide hammer action is safer than swinging an axe or maul and reduces flying wood chips. Cushion grip handle absorbs shocks and gives you a firm grip. It has heavy-duty steel construction with laser cut wedge that you can use for years. This tool has 10 pounds weighted hammer handle. This tool is a dowel maker for wooden stick. This practical tool should be used with your electric drill to make the wood rods by yourself. There are 3 different holes for you to use. The small size of this tool is very convenient for everyday use. You can carry it on your tool bag without taking up too much storage space. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a novice just getting started with woodworks, this is an essential gadget for you to use. This tool is making of aluminium alloy material, superior wear and corrosion resistant, not easy to rust, and can provide a long service time.